talk about life, work, and project and plan. Sometimes we talk about lifetime and campaign or something that we want to show out to the public, or even though we have the plan and unplanned thing. But actually, if we don't like it, we try to choose another one and another step. But the idea is that we are concerned in too much that would we produce the successful story or it will be fail, and sometimes we are afraid to do it and we are not showing up yourself, so that is why we stuck on the idea. I think that this is me right now because I try to do like, I imagine the thing. For example, I want to do the video content creation about the funny thing or the movie short film, but I think that I don't have the team, I don't have the camera equipment. That is show me down and think that I'm very nervous and shy, and sometimes I talk to my friend and then my friend say that, oh, you cannot do it, and I feel very down and not and I feel that uncomfortable to talk to the people that I trust with, and sometimes they reject my opinion, and then we fail everything, so we stop to do nothing.
Một con trai go hard, hard up with the đặc biệt support, but then here, Jay, go hard, champion, let's stop, let's go stop to the top, let's top.
And then we go to work and sleep well at home. We go to work and sleep well at home. We go to work and sleep well at home. We go to work and sleep well at home. We go to work and sleep well at home. We go to work and sleep well at home. We go to work and sleep well at home. We go to work and sleep well at home. Home alone, work alone.
Anh clickอะไรนี่อะไรตุกตักพอแล้ว